since I spend so much time sitting at my desk doing tarot videos, doing crafts, I needed something to help me move. And right now it is cold in Texas, but a lot of the times it's hot or it's raining. And so I really wanted something that would allow me to get the exercise in that I just can't really get to outside. So I hope you enjoy the video. And if you want to check out your New Year's tarot readings, I do have those available on the channel if you are new. So check those out and enjoy the video. Okay, overall, the bike came in pretty good shape with the exception of this sensor right here is loose. I wanted to make sure it actually worked. I need to get some new batteries in here. The ones I put in there are not so great. So that does work. But my biggest issue with this REALBIKE is it's not the bike itself or anything like that. It's this. It was advertised as magnetic. This is a felt pad and it is friction. So Temu being the great, it is a great marketplace. That's the word I'm looking for, marketplace. It is pretty good. They are going to give me a partial refund on the bike because I really don't feel like sending it back. So we're just going to use it up, and you can change out these pads here. It is pretty quiet, and I'll give it that. The shipping was pretty good. I think there was a little nick right here, so possible some damage in shipping, but the sensors do work. So I'll just kind of file that down and put some glue on there, and it should be good to go. Otherwise, I mean, it came together pretty well. I really wanted these sensors. It was really important for me. And the description said magnetic, and I'm disappointed that it's not magnetic, but it does have a very smooth pedal. And, you know, overall, it's decent and it's really not that loud. So, you know, I really think that if you're going to advertise something as magnetic, it really should be. So that's a bit of deception there. But, you know, I mean, for 100 and, you know, some odd dollars in change, it's not bad. I just wish I had known it was friction. I probably wouldn't have got it if it was friction though. Yep. We are so close to hitting that 1,000 subs mark, and I want to say thank you to all of the subs that I've had before and all of the new subs coming in, whether you're here for my wild and wacky crafting videos or my tarot. You are very appreciated and you're very welcome here. And so I did say that if we hit 1,000 subs, I'm going to do another giveaway, and I am. I'm going to do 3 personal readings for 3 subscribers. How that's going to happen is once we hit that 1,000 subs mark, I will post another video, which you will need to subscribe already and leave a comment on. From that, I will choose 3 random winners for the personal tarot reading. So if you'd like a chance to get a personal tarot reading from moi, subscribe, hit the like button, notification bell, all that good stuff, and you will have a chance to win. So do share with your friends so we can hit those subscriber goals faster. Okay, that's the only announcement I have for right now. So yeah, take care and we'll see you next time.